Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is MK. Channel name is Fly with MK, and thanks for subscribing. I saw so many messages from past few days onwards. Thanks for subscribing and continue same support until my last video. It will be infinite. I won't end this in 1 or 2 or 1 or k. I won't keep like that. I will keep an infinite. Okay, maintain the same love, same thing. Okay, and but now in this blog, what I want to discuss with you is about 3D printers. You all know the 3D printers we used to see in papers and videos. They are making in they are the next generation manufacturing process, and it will be now. Let's assume that now we are building any car or flight. It's taking months, but in future, while if 3D printing is completely, if it's in our hands, means it will convert into hours. If let's think that a Mercedes want to build a car for a whole 1 or 2 months, means if Mercedes having completely based on 3D printer, means it will build only in hours. That's it. In hours you will get in your car and you can open it, you can run it. That's it, simple. Even the so many companies like Lockheed Martin, SpaceX, they are using 3D printers now for space engines. Of course, in recently in IIT Bombay students, they have built an aircraft. They built a house, completely 3D model house only, completely. So that will be a next generation manufacturing process. Okay. Now I'm having one 3D printer with me. It's a budget 3D printer, and it's very efficient one in the market which we are seeing right now. Okay, I'll show you. This is a 3D printer which we are using, and this 3D printer cost is around 25k or less than 25k or 25, little bit more than us. That's it. Okay. The prices will likely change in this recent timeline. Okay. And this is a filament. It's like an ink. It's like an ink to printers. We used to usually with printers now. Color printers or black and white. We used to see black, RGB or CMYK colors. This is for this. It's an ink for the 3D printer. We used to call as filament, not in the bulk filament. This is a filament, different name. Okay. This is a PLA material. It's a very you can find very easily in the market compared to any other material. Let's assume if you want a carbon fiber material, means it will take so many days to come, but PLA it will come within 1 or 2 days maximum. Okay. And it will come inside this nozzle. This is a nozzle. It's a very dangerous part. Don't touch even, because it will go up to 200 degrees Celsius, 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Whatever you want to print, it will be in this particular zone. So be aware on that one while you're touching this one. And this is bed. This is not that kind of bed which we used to sleep always at night time. This bed is dedicated only to print like these objects. Okay. This is not a fan. This is a propeller. Okay. Which we built this recently. And this bed will be around 40 to 60 degrees. That's it. It won't be necessarily too much high and too much low. Why we used to keep bed temperature was it won't stick down. And you saw this is a white tape is there. You might think that what is this white tape I is using. This is a masking tape. Why we are using this masking tape? Because while we removing this object, it will be stick. It won't get any damage to this plate. Okay, that's why we are using masking tape, and it's easy to open also if you want to open any object what you print. Okay, and this having we used to use an SD card for storage. This is an SD card slot. Okay, this is the SD card, and this SD card we know we all know SD cards are old fashioned, but trust me, even I am thinking there's so many models in upcoming 3D printers. Maybe they will replace the memory cards to direct to the wireless data. Means I know it will take some time, might be 5 or 10 years, but it will happen. Trust me. And now we are using, if we are sending any message to printers, means it will start printing whatever we want to print, whether if it's an A4 or 3D A3 or whatever it's like that. Maybe in future it will happen. Okay. And this is a small portable screen. Here you can see the nozzle temperature, the speed of mission 3D printer, and the temperature of bed. And here it will be like this in speed and everything. It will be X and Y Z axis. everything, how much time it will take to create, everything it will come. In upcoming blogs we will discuss more which software which I will use for 3D printers and everything, for 3D modeling, converting, that one, everything I'll explain you in upcoming blogs. I'll explain you about designing part also, of course. And you want to see those videos means you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment and like and share. Okay. Jai Hind and fly with MK.